Hello guys, you're welcome to 4NA Media, the home of entertainment. And on today's video, we are going to be sharing Kevi's biography, age, and everything that you need to know about him. Firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Kevi, whose real name is Gbolahan Ololade, is one of the new Big Brother Naija Season 6 housemates who came to fame following the participation in the reality show on August 8, 2021. Kevi was born in the year 1993. Born and hails from Ogun State, Nigeria. Currently resides in Lagos, where he works as a photographer. His hobby includes playing football, clubbing, and playing cards. He believes he is innovative and fun to be with, and says people call him handsome. According to him, his high point is when he had the opportunity to photograph one of Nigeria's biggest artists. He likes to experiment with styling and coloring his hair. He says that harassment in the street has put a damper on this aspect of his life. Talking about his relationship, Kevi never disclosed if he currently has a girlfriend at the moment. We will update you once he reveals the name of his girlfriend or the name of the person he is currently dating. He is currently not married and does not have a wife nor child either at the moment. Guys, these are all we know about Kevi at the moment. You will be updated once we get more information. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you and remain blessed.